Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. I've got a Jonsereds 520 SP chainsaw that belongs to a friend of mine, and he said he hasn't been able to get it started for a couple of years, so let's take a look and see if we can get it running. Well, let's see if there's any fuel in it. Yeah, it looks like there's some in there. Quite a bit. It actually doesn't look too bad. Doesn't smell bad. Let's take the spark plug out and take a look at it. The spark plug's really putting up a fight. A little penetrating oil seems to help. Well, let's see if we have spark. Put just a few drops of gas. I got pre-mix. This is 40-to-1 mix. I'm gonna put just a little bit in the spark plug hole. Alright, let's see if we can get it to fire. Well, that'll run. Alright, so let's get this top cover off. So there's a screw here. Looks like there's one missing there. And then there's a screw over here, which we may need to move the handle out of the way for. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, I need to get the handle out of the way to get that. Just open this one. Now I can get to this bolt over here anyway, or screw. slide the choke out. There we go. Now we got it. So this is the throttle. Linkage goes back here. Let's see. So right here is the throttle linkage, and we need to get that out. And it's really, really close. Just popping out. Just there. Okay, now I should be able to open this up. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna take this bolt out so I can get the handle off. Yeah, that's just a nut. Okay. Now, that's out of the way. And just going to check this fuel line here, see how it's doing. The fuel line's a bit stiff, but it's not disintegrating. Seems alright. Alright, so this is the carburetor. Let's pull the carburetor out. Now there are two screws back here that hold it in place. Okay, and there's the carburetor. Let's dig into the carburetor. Oh, that's really dried up and hard. That's supposed to be soft and flexible. So that might have something to do with the problem. And you got your needle and seat here. So that's got to hook back underneath that spring. Alright, let's see what's on the other side. That's a junkie. But there's a screen in there, filter. You see how dirty that is? Yeah. And you can see all kinds of dirt up in here too. We're going to take these adjusters out. So let's turn them in first. I'm going to turn them in first and see how far they were out. Half. 1. Half. So 1.5 turns. Half. 1. So that one's just 1 turn. So this one was 1.5. That's 1 turn. Alright, so I'm going to put that into the carb cleaner and let that soak. Anyway. So I've ordered a carb kit and hopefully that'll be here in time for me to make next week's video. So this will be the end of this week's video, but if you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.